Hello everyone that is locked up inside while it's chucking it down outside. So I asked you guys what you wanted to see and sticky toffee pudding won. I'm going to make this one a vegan recipe because let's face it, I want to eat this all by myself. So you're going to need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 100 grams of chopped walnuts to add a little bit of extra texture in this light and fluffy dessert, 200 milliliters of non-dairy milk, 100 grams of non-dairy butter, and 200 grams of pitted dates. I went ahead and roughly chopped my walnuts and then did the same with the dates. Normally when you buy dates they come with a pit in the middle, however sometimes they don't. It should normally say on the package whether they do or they don't, but this is me trying to figure out if the dates have pits in. It took me a long time, to be completely honest. Once you've chopped up those ingredients, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to beat the sugar and butter together until they're pale and fluffy, unlike the clouds in the British skies right now. Pop that to the side and we'll move on to softening the dates. This is really simple, just combine your milk and dates in a saucepan and cook over medium heat for about 3 minutes, squashing the dates with the back of a wooden spoon as you go. Pour that milky, datey mixture into your butter and sugar and combine. Then sift in the flour. Sifting is important as it adds extra air to the mixture and also gets rid of any lumps in the flour. Then do the same with the baking soda. And then last but not least, the walnuts. Now you don't have to add the walnuts in if you don't want to. I just personally really like the textural difference that it brings to the dish. Gently fold that all together, you don't want to knock any of the air out. Go ahead and prep your baking dish. I'm using my classic spray oil and flour technique, but you could use butter or baking parchment. Spoon the batter into the dish and level with a spoon. I then bake the pudding for 30 minutes, and to check that it's completely cooked, simply stab it with a knife, and if it comes out clean it's ready. If not, pop it back in for another 5 minutes. Now I'm just making some pockets for the sauce to fall into. You can also use a toothpick. Putting that aside to cool, we're going to start making the sauce. So 50 milliliters of non-dairy milk, 100 grams of non-dairy butter, and 200 grams of Demerara sugar or light brown sugar. Bung that all into a saucepan and whack the hob on a medium heat. Stir until all of the ingredients are incorporated and then leave the mixture alone for 5 minutes. Just look at that beautiful golden goo. Drizzle that liquid gold all over the pudding and use a spoon to coax it into all of the little holes, nooks and crannies. Insert Homer Simpson drooling noises here. Serve with cream, custard, ice cream, or just devour it all by itself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you send me pictures or videos if you decide to try this recipe out. Anyway, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.